Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the SOXL ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over the past 11 days, SOXL has surpassed our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 26.35% since our initial recommendation to buy. This means the stock has been generating an average return of 2.4% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the recent developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong and wide rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. If the top trend line at $37.16 is broken, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 86.72% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 50.62% and 93.16%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 51.73% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between -27.42% and 44.1%. In other words, the price range could be between $26.07 and $51.76 after a year. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF reveals that its price increased by 1.87% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 23, 2024, the SOXL ETF price rose from $35.26 to $35.92, marking its 4th consecutive day of gains. We are eager to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $34.22 and a high of $36.01, representing a 5.23% variation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions and has experienced a remarkable 26.35% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 24 million shares on the last day, with a total of 49 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.76 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume at higher prices could indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $36.57, while the lowest price was $12.52. Currently, the price is 1.78% or $0.649 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 90.5% or $342.32 below the all-time high, which occurred on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Today, we will be discussing the signals identified for SOXL, an ETF. The SOXL ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $31.85 and $28.50. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 4, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 40.42%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It is worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is giving a buy signal. Another indicator to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 28 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average still shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart analysis. The short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 48 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 36 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Let's talk about the support levels for the ETF SOXL. Currently, it has found support just below today's level at $31.19 and $28.43, based on accumulated volume. It's important to understand that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. For SOXL, the next support levels from accumulated volume would be at $31.19, $28.43, and $28.10. Now, let's discuss the risk associated with this ETF. SOXL tends to experience significant volatility throughout the day, meaning its price can fluctuate greatly. This makes it a high-risk ETF. The Bollinger Band, which measures the prediction interval, also indicates a large range for this ETF. In the last day, SOXL moved $1.79 between its high and low, representing a 5.23% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 6.54%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance level above. This suggests that if the conditions are right, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a trader, you might consider entering a position and using volume indicators to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $31.19. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $34.84, which represents a decrease of 3%. It's important to note that this ETF has high daily movements, which also means that it carries a higher level of risk. However, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 12 days ago. This could indicate a potential opportunity for investors. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? The SOXL ETF currently shows several positive signals, but we believe it may not be enough to consider it a strong buy candidate. Instead, it should be considered as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate it in your portfolio while waiting for further development. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of SOXL in the last trading day, and they indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 24th, we expect SOXL to open with a decrease of $0.537 and start trading at $35.38. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. There is a high possibility of losing money, which is why we recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest, where we provide you with valuable insights into the stock market. Today, we want to discuss our current view of a specific stock. We would love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this ETF? Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with all our future content. We wish you all the best in your trading journey and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.